Hello everyone, hope all are fine. So in this video we will start with the lesson number class 9th Hindi chapter lesson number 6 Chera Punji se aaya hoon. So in the last video we had completed the lesson. So in this video we will start with the Lekhak Parichay about the writer. So here the writer पंथ जी, writer is पंथ जी. पंथ जी का नाम प्रदीप पंत जी का जन्म लखनऊ के हल्दानी उत्तराखंड में 24 अप्रैल 1941 को हुआ. पंत जी के अब तक 6 उपन्यास प्रकाशित हुए हैं. पंत जी की कन्नड़ में अनुदित कहानियों का संकलन न्यायमत्तु इत्र कथेगळु शीर्षक से प्रकाशित है. पंत जी के देश विदेश के यात्रा स्मरणों के 4 संकलन हैं. नेक्स्ट इज पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू पर उत्कृष्ट लेखन के लिए पंत जी को जर्नलिस्ट वेलफेयर फाउंडेशन का यूरोप भ्रमण पुरस्कार, उत्तर प्रदेश हिंदी संस्थान का प्रेमचंद्र अनुशंसा पुरस्कार, हिंदी अकादमी द्वारा 2 बार साहित्य कृति पुरस्कार प्राप्त है. साहित्यकार सम्मान और उत्कृष्ट व्यंग लेखन के लिए हिंदी भवन, नई दिल्ली का व्यंगश्री सम्मान भी प्राप्त हुए हैं. So here this is about the poet Pant ji, Pradeep Pant. Okay, this is about the Pradeep Pant. So he was the writer of this lesson. He was born in Lucknow, Haldani, Uttarakhand on 24 April 1941. And he had published 6 novels till now. And Pantji Kannada stories has translated as a Nyaya Mattu Ittar Kadegalu has translated and published. He had traveled all over the world and he is famous for his 4 collections. And now next, Pandit Jawahar. He had written a outstanding writing on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he got awarded as a journalist welfare foundation in Europe tour award, the UP Hindi Sansthan Premchandra Recommendation Award and Hindi Academy Award twice, Literacy Work Award twice. So he had also received Sahityakar Samman, Vyangnashri Samman in New Delhi in Hindi Bhavan for his great writing. So he had awarded with these awards. So now that about the writer it is over. Now moving to the meanings, that is Shabdarth. First one is Umad Ghumad. Umad Ghumad. चारों ओर से गिरना, एक चित्र होना, छाना. So that means that all are same, that is surrounded from all the sides. Okay, that is the surrounded from all the sides. Next one is Haritama. हरियाली, हरापन, that is greenery. दरखत, पेड़, वृक्ष, ट्री. पटा, भरा, फुल. बूंदा बांदी, वर्षा, बादलों से गिरने वाली जल की बूंदे, that means rain. कपत, माल की बिक्री, means sale, sale of the goods. पन बिजली, जल विद्युत, that means hydroelectricity. निहारना, ध्यान पूर्वक देखना, look carefully. कुहरा, धुंध, कोहरा, all are fog. अंचल, प्रांत. सीमा का समीपवर्ती भाग, that means a boundary, a region. This much is our boundary, like that. So वर्चस्व, वर्चस्व, अधिपत्य, प्राबल्य, that means dominance. घुसना, प्रवेश करना, enter, भीतर जाना, that is also enter. तमाम, सारा, entire. समस्त, entire. सौदा, क्रय, विक्रय की वस्तु या माल, that means the sale, which is for sale of goods, for to sell or to purchase. बेहिचक, निसंकोच, without hesitation. मोड़, रास्ते आदि का घुमावदार स्थान, that means it is a road where the U-turns will come, like that roads are called घुमाव. Okay, next. बेहिचक माल, मोड़. प्रपात, प्रताप, प्रपात, प्रपात, ऊंचे स्थान से गिरने वाली जलधारा, वाटरफॉल. बेरोक, बेरोक टोक, बिना किसी रुकावट के, विदाउट एनी स्टॉप. लुका छुपी, लुका छुपी, और आंख मिचौली, that is hide and seek. सतह, किसी वस्तु का ऊपरी भाग, surface, the upper part of any object. मशाल, एक प्रकार की मोटी बत्ती जो लकड़ी पर कपड़ा लपेटकर अधिक प्रकाश के लिए जलाई जाती है. In olden days it is a firelight, where in olden days there was no torch and all, so people used to take mashal, that means firelight, in evening or in the dark, to get the light. So they will take a big stick and roll the bundle of clothes on the tip of the stick, and they will fire on there, so they will get the light, and light in the darkness. So that is mashal or firelight. We can call it as firelight also. So in the next video, we will start with the exercise. Till then, bye. Take care.